Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel with Frugal Mama Anna. Today I'll be doing a DIY restoring an old lamp, broken lamp, adding new fabric on it and making it look pretty, and instead of buying a new one, wasting more money. And that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I hope you like this video, y'all. And thank you if you're watching this. Thanks for stopping by if you're watching this. Okay, y'all, let's get to it. This is the lamp I want to use. You see it's already tearing apart here. And I want to change it. It's already old and beat up. I got one of these papers from the fabric area at Walmart. And I just laid it down like this and rolled it and traced it. Trying to make a pattern here. So I'm going to cut it out now and see if it fits. Okay, I cut it and I try to measure it, see, make sure it'll fit. It might have some little overlapping, but this is the paper. It's the trial where I cut the paper. Always leave extra, half an inch extra on the edges, so you have enough to flap over. I might have a little bit more, but it'll be alright. This is just the paper, and I'm going to cut the fabric. Try to even it out. Not bad. As you can see, I cut out the fabric, and I roll it up to see where I glue. It fits okay. Maybe a little tucking, but that's a little more cutting, and it'll be alright. Fabric with spray adhesive glue. With some spray glue. I gently roll it in, y'all, and straighten out the wrinkles. And I'm gonna try to trim the edges that is excess. Okay. So what do y'all think of the lamp now? Ain't it a beauty? The little tips. I don't have any glue gun right now, but I can just little tips. Pretty much, it's okay. The light bulb's not working in there. How it is, the beauty. Yeah. So make sure you leave a half an inch extra and spray the edges really good. I didn't spray enough glue, but I can use a glue gun and glue it more down on the edges, on the top part, still a little bit. So make sure you spray it out evenly. And so I hope you like this DIY on a replacing decorator new, make the lamp look beautiful. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye. And by the way, y'all, next time you might want to paint it white before you glue the fabric on there, because see the designs on there, you can see it out when the light is on. Oh my gosh, but it's okay. First time try and learn. And without the light off, you see the better. Okay, y'all, I just want to let you know that.